Semiconductors are the unsung heroes of our digital age. These tiny yet powerful components are the backbone of modern technology. These tiny chips are the brains behind our smartphones, computers, cars, and even refrigerators. They enable the seamless operation of countless devices we rely on every day. They are essential components in everything from medical devices to military equipment. Without them, the advanced functionalities of these critical tools would be impossible. Without semiconductors, our modern world would grind to a halt. Imagine a day without your phone, computer, or even your car. The impact would be profound. They are the foundation upon which our technological progress rests. Every innovation, every leap forward in tech is built on the capabilities of these tiny chips. These marvels of miniaturization are created through a complex process. It involves precision engineering and cutting-edge technology to produce chips that are both powerful and efficient. Silicon, a common element found in sand, is transformed into ultra-pure wafers. This transformation is the first step in creating the semiconductors that power our world. These wafers are then etched with billions of transistors, forming the intricate circuits that power our devices. Each transistor is a tiny switch that controls the flow of electricity. The manufacturing process is incredibly precise and requires specialized equipment and expertise. It's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. The demand for semiconductors has skyrocketed in recent years. This surge is driven by the ever-growing need for more advanced and efficient technology. This is due to the proliferation of smart devices, the rise of artificial intelligence, and the increasing automation of industries. Each of these advancements relies heavily on semiconductor technology. As we become more reliant on technology, our dependence on these tiny chips only grows stronger. They are the silent enablers of our digital lives. Understanding semiconductors is essential to understanding the future of our technological world. They are the key to unlocking the next generation of innovations and advancements. The global semiconductor shortage has sent shockwaves through the world economy, affecting everything from consumer electronics to automotive manufacturing. This shortage is the result of a confluence of factors, creating a perfect storm that has disrupted supply chains and left industries scrambling to meet demand. The complexity of the issue cannot be overstated. One major factor is the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused factory shutdowns and transportation bottlenecks. These disruptions halted production lines and delayed shipments, creating a backlog that has been difficult to clear. As the world went into lockdown, demand for consumer electronics surged. People needed new devices for remote work, online learning, and entertainment, leading to an unprecedented spike in orders for laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles. People stuck at home upgraded their laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles. This sudden and unexpected surge in demand strained an already tight supply chain, making it difficult for manufacturers to keep up. This unexpected surge in demand strained an already tight supply chain. Supply chain managers found themselves overwhelmed and warehouses were overloaded with backlogged orders. At the same time, the automotive industry, which had initially reduced its chip orders, saw a rebound in car sales. This rebound caught many off guard, leading to a mad scramble for chips to meet the renewed demand in the automotive sector. This led to a mad scramble for chips, with companies across different sectors competing for limited supplies. Executives held emergency meetings to strategize on how to secure the necessary components. Adding to the complexity is the fact that the semiconductor industry is highly concentrated. A small number of companies, mostly based in Asia, dominate chip manufacturing, making it difficult to quickly ramp up production. A handful of companies, mostly based in Asia, dominate chip manufacturing. These companies operate highly specialized facilities that cannot be easily replicated elsewhere. This concentration of production has made it difficult to quickly ramp up supply to meet the surge in demand. Manufacturing bottlenecks have further exacerbated the situation, leading to delays and shortages. The shortage has exposed the vulnerabilities of global supply chains and highlighted the importance of semiconductor manufacturing. Companies are now re-evaluating their supply chain strategies to mitigate future risks. Governments and companies around the world are now looking to diversify their sources of chips and invest in domestic production. New semiconductor factories are being planned and built to reduce dependency on a few key players. The race to secure a stable supply of semiconductors has become a matter of economic and national security. World leaders are holding summits and meetings to address this critical issue, recognizing that the future of technology and industry depends on it. The semiconductor shortage has had a ripple effect across numerous industries, impacting both businesses and consumers alike. This crisis has not only disrupted production lines, but has also led to significant economic consequences. The automotive industry has been particularly hard hit, with modern vehicles relying heavily on electronic components. The shortage has brought car manufacturing to a near standstill in some regions. Modern cars rely on hundreds, if not thousands, of chips for everything from engine management to infotainment systems. These chips are crucial for the advanced features that consumers have come to expect. The shortage has forced automakers to cut production, leading to empty dealerships and long wait times for new vehicles. This has created a ripple effect, impacting not just manufacturers but also dealerships and consumers. Prices for both new and used cars have skyrocketed, putting a strain on consumers. The increased demand for used cars has driven prices up, making it difficult for many to afford a vehicle. The electronics industry has also been significantly affected. From smartphones to gaming consoles, the shortage has disrupted the production of a wide range of consumer electronics. Gamers have faced difficulties finding the latest consoles, with many stores unable to keep up with the demand. This has led to frustration among consumers and has even fueled a secondary market where prices are exorbitantly high. Smartphone manufacturers have had to adjust production schedules, delaying the release of new models and limiting the availability of existing ones. This has affected not just consumers, but also the tech industry as a whole. The shortage has also impacted the production of medical devices, appliances, and other essential goods. These disruptions have had serious implications for healthcare and everyday life. Hospitals have faced delays in receiving critical equipment, which has affected patient care and the ability to respond to medical emergencies. Consumers have experienced shortages of everyday items, leading to frustration and inconvenience. The scarcity of essential goods has highlighted the vulnerability of global supply chains. The wide-ranging impact of the semiconductor shortage underscores the essential role these tiny chips play in our interconnected world. They are the backbone of modern technology, enabling everything from communication to transportation. The shortage has forced companies to re-evaluate their supply chains and prioritize their production. Businesses are now looking for ways to mitigate future risks and ensure a steady supply of critical components. It has also highlighted the need for greater investment in semiconductor manufacturing capacity. Governments and companies are now considering building more factories to meet the growing demand. The crisis has served as a wake-up call, reminding us of the importance of resilient and diversified supply chains. By investing in these areas, we can better prepare for future disruptions and ensure the stability of global industries.